Good morning, folks.
Are you cool?
Hey, everybody. It's a heads up.
'Cause I'm gonna be dropping some hard Thor news science upon you.
So this week, I wanted to make a video about
volcanoes.
Stay cool. This is a Thor news presentation. Hit the button, baby. Thor News presents
breaking emergency news alert and analysis. Mount Aso erupts. The largest volcano in Japan is erupting.
We have a massive eruption coming from the Mount Aso volcano in Japan on the southernmost main island of Kyushu.
They're saying that this started erupting on Monday, sending a huge plume of gray ash and smoke into the air. Well, Monday their time. Now, this is the largest active volcano in the region,
Reaching a height of 1,592 meters, that's 1,592 meters.
No reports of injuries at this time.
So far, no deaths or injuries have been reported.
Looks like they evacuated everyone from the perimeter of the base of this volcano.
This eruption did come without warning, but so far it looks like everybody's gonna be okay.
Last year, if you guys don't remember, that this volcano also erupted, I do believe, killing 63 people. The worst volcanic disaster for nearly 90 years.
And it's worth noting,
In case you guys aren't familiar with this volcano, is located in
Mount Aso lies on the Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped band of fault lines and volcanoes around the edges of the Pacific Ocean, and is home to more than 100 active volcanoes.
It is not clear yet at the moment exactly how big this eruption is, but it is putting off a lot of ash in this plume, so we'll see what it does. But you never know with these large volcanoes. It could pick up or it could die down. It may cause problems in the days ahead. It's all yet to be seen, but at this time, it's still spewing a lot of ash.
Watch out. So,
And like I said, it could wreak havoc on flights, things of that nature in the days to come.
pretty wild.
It's been Dabu 7.
It's been Press Reset Earth. Keep your head up. Stay real.
Now, I have not gone to the Twitter.
It is what it is. Alright, God bless everybody.
anyway.
Stay cool.